conquering the old man, nature. We are the generation empowered to live in the freedom that Christ has brought us. Christ came to bring liberation to humanity, breaking the chains of the old nature and every aspect of life that reflects the curse. The old nature no longer has the power to dominate our destiny, life, or future. Often, the old nature attempts to influence us, suggesting that its ways are the only ways of life. It sows seeds of words and thoughts to maintain its hold. However, through Christ's liberation, we can overcome this influence and live a new, empowered life.